Hello and welcome to this video of the Majestic Support plugin. In today's digital age, ensuring the security of our sensitive information is more important than ever. When seeking customer support, we often need to provide personal details, such as passwords and account numbers, to resolve issues. However, the risk of exposing this information to unauthorized parties can be a concern. That's where the private credential feature in a customer support ticket system comes in. So in this video, we'll be discussing how to add private credentials in Majestic Support. This security measure allows you to securely share sensitive information with the support team. So, let's dive in and learn how to use this essential feature. Before we get started with adding private credentials, we need to make sure we have the private credential add-on installed. For this, head over to the WordPress plugin directory. Here, search for the add-on. And the add-on is installed. If you already have it installed, you can skip ahead to step 2. If not, then to learn how to install the add-on, please watch the video linked in the description. After the activation of the add-on, let's move on to adding the private credentials. So the first step in adding private credentials to Majestic Support is to set up a private secret key from the plugin settings. As an administrator, you can access these settings by navigating to the plugin settings from the admin dashboard and going over to the private credential setting area. Once you are in the private credential setting area, set up a private secret key to access sensitive information. The secret key is a unique string of characters that is used to encrypt and decrypt the private credential. It's important to note that if a secret key is already set, changing this value will cause all existing credentials to be discarded. By setting up second-level security, you can provide an additional layer of security. This will give your users a more secure environment in which to submit important data. Once you have set up your private secret key and additional layers of encryption, be sure to hit the Save Setting option to ensure that your changes are applied. After the private secret key has been set up, end users can add their private credentials to Majestic Support by following a few simple steps. First, users need to head over to their user dashboard and select the My Tickets option from the menu. From the ticket listing, users can select the specific ticket to which they need to add a private credential. After opening the ticket, go to the private credential option. This option is only available if you have installed this add-on. So to add a private credential, users simply need to hit the option and complete the required details on the form. This includes specifying the credential type, which describes the kind of data you are giving. Next, give your username, password, and any additional information that may be required. After the details have been entered, the user should save them to ensure that it is securely stored in the system. When credentials are added, 2 buttons will appear: Edit and Delete. The Edit button allows the user to make changes to their credentials, while the Delete button enables the user to remove their credentials entirely. As an administrator or ticket agent, you will receive notifications when credentials are added to a ticket. You can easily access these credentials by clicking on the credential link within the ticket. So as an administrator, from your dashboard, navigate to the ticket listing and select the specific ticket that contains the private credentials. Once you have opened the ticket, simply click on the credential link to view the sensitive information. Now let's look through the process of how agents can get that sensitive information. It's again simple and similar to how we did on the admin side. Agents can easily access sensitive information by navigating to the ticket listing and selecting the ticket that contains private credentials. With the private credentials add-on, users can add as many credentials as needed, which are neatly separated into data cards, and only those agents can see these private credentials who have permission to view them from the administrator. Once a ticket is closed, its private information is promptly deleted from the database, reducing the amount of sensitive data stored and making it less appealing to potential hackers. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.